Airlines 2007. Look over your shoulder to the left. I want you to take a look at the amazing Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. To a secret location in Palmdale, California, at Northrup Aircraft's plant, was wheeled into an office in his wheelchair and was handed a box. His trembling hands lifted the top off the box, and he saw a model of the B-2 Spirit that is approaching now from the right. Jack Northrup said, "Now I know why God has kept me alive these last 40 years." Flying the Spirit of Florida, the B-2 Spirit, call sign Def 11, Captain Dan Hoadley and Major Justin Amon from New York, and your United States Air Force's Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. The engines powering the B-2 are 4 General Electric F-118 turbofan engines, each of which generates 19,000 pounds of the flying wing of Northrop Grumman and Jack Grumman's mind, the Northrop B-2 Spirit. Coming from the left, Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. I'm going to turn the music down and let you just listen to the sound of this amazing airplane.